Aiming Fluid Golf sent me this towel for my review, and this is a 15 by 40 towel, and it's not just any type of golf towel. Check this out. First of all, it's blue. I do have a gray one right here just so you see the comparison, but this one here is blue with a nice little trim of red, that little red border. Now, you're probably wondering what this is. Well, this, if you do have that magnetic pad on your golf club bag, you can literally just stick it there and it will stay there even if you shake that bag until you actually take it out. And look how big this towel is. Love it. And it's got even pockets right here. Look at this. So this is really easy to just slip my hand in here and start cleaning either my hands or golf clubs, golf balls, things like that. And if your golf club is really dirty, what I love, and they do this with all of their towels, is they do even provide you with that little, look at this one. This one I've used already. You can actually use the scrubbing pad on that towel and just scrub all that dirt, all that grime off of your golf clubs. Does come with the carabiner if you don't want to use or can't use the magnetic capabilities. But yeah, this thing is fantastic. It's super, super big. So I would basically, with this one here, and I've done this before, when you have a towel that's big enough like this, one, I would have a little bit wet just for my hands to make sure that my hands are always clean. And then the next part is for my club. So you can have one towel for both usage. But yeah, Aiming Fluid Golf makes incredible stuff, incredible products for golfing, for golfers, and definitely will be using this on the golf course.